In this video, we show how to replace the heatsink and processor in a PowerEdge R6725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the processor and heatsink, loosen the nuts in reverse numerical order, starting with 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then finally 1. With all of them loosened, lift the heatsink out of the system. Then loosen the captive screw securing the retention rail down. And lift on these blue tabs. And you should be able to pull the processor up and out of the system. Just to install the processor, slide it into the rail all the way down, and then lower it down using the blue clips. Then lower the spring-loaded retention clamp, and then tighten the screw. Once secured, apply a thin spiral of thermal grease. If you're reusing a heatsink, then you want to clean off the heatsink before reinstalling the heatsink. Align the heatsink and lower into place. Then tighten the captive screws in numerical order this time, starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R6725, visit dell.com/support.